Or for recent, many of you have been asking how to get ICE. It's just easy. Just get your BNB and then go to your OKX wallet, go to your DEX, and then just go to swap. And then you select your BNB. You search for BNB. Let me search BNB. Then this is my BNB. You search for ICE. This is your ICE. ICE. And then let me 0.00001, let's say. Alright, you just get me 4 ion. It's funny. So I've bought ion now. You see, I bought 4.9 ion, right? Alright, so let me move my remaining BNB to my online plus. I've copied my address already, so I paste the address. Confirm, mark, so that I perform the swap there. I'll send it now. Then you see these 4 eyes that I bought. I made a mistake, but no problem. You paste it and then confirm. Wait for it. Okay, you see, it's telling me I need ICE. Sorry, I need BNB. So let me reimburse. So now I've gotten BNB gas that I'll use to send my ICE that I bought. So just send. I've copied my wallet. I already paste. So you can see today's date is Sunday, January 4th. So that you not think that I'm creating things that are not there. So max, I'm going to send the entire ICE. So I should see it in my online plus when I go to swap. So I'm now here trying to swap. So let me switch it. Alright, ion hold, put my 100%, hit the swap button, and I should see my ICE swapped right now. Wow, and it went so fast. I've swapped my ICE now. You see, you will no longer see this small ICE again. It's 100,000 pieces. I've swapped it all. It was so fast. Okay, I'm waiting for it to be active and move to the other side. And remember, guys, this can be an arbitrage opportunity. See, I bought 1,000 this morning before I bought those 4. You can see I have 1,000 in my old ion, and then if I swap it, it will move to around $3. That is, you are buying cheap, and once you swap now, it's already high already. So we don't even know the price they are going to list it on that day that they are officially moving to ion, because we are waiting for the listing on exchanges. So let me swap. As you can see, swap is still going on. I still want to make another swap so that some of you that don't believe it and having issue will know that it's working. See, swap completed. So as you can see now, it's an arbitrage opportunity that you even have. You are getting me. See, it's $2, but when I swap it down to ion chain officially to move to $4, so you see, swap completed. See, swap completed. See, it is showing me. You can even check in the Explorer. So that shows the swap is working, and you can still buy ion on DEX. So you can keep accumulating. See, I have 30,000. Once you touch $1, we go to the moon. So let's keep accumulating, and let's see what's gonna happen. So thank you for watching. Stay close to Fotismós, Crypto-Fotismós, my YouTube channel, and ensure you tell someone to tell someone and share. Thank you.